For today's recipe, we are making easy and delicious 5-ingredient s'mores tarts. To begin, in a medium bowl, combine 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs and 1/2 cup of melted salted butter that is cooled slightly. Use a spatula to mix this until everything is well combined. As always, all of these instructions as well as the full recipe can also be found down below. Now that this is well mixed, I'm going to scoop 1/2 cup into each of my tart tins, and these are 4.5 inch by 3/4 inch tart tins with a removable bottom, which makes it super easy to pop the finished tarts out. Just going to level this out, and then using your fingers, you're going to want to press the graham cracker mixture up the sides of your tin, ensuring that it reaches the top all the way around. Now I'm going to use my measuring cup, which has a flat bottom. I'm going to press it against the sides here, ensuring that everything is nice and firmly packed. And then we can press down the bottom as well. We're going to want to repeat for all 4 of our tart shells, and then we can set them aside and start on our ganache. You will need to finely chop 4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. You could also use semi-sweet or dark chocolate. You want to get this nice and fine so that it will melt quickly. I have my cream heating up on the stove, and we want to heat this to 190 Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius. We're going to transfer our chocolate into a bowl and pour our hot cream over top. Allow it to sit for about 2 minutes, and then use a spatula to stir the mixture until all of the chocolate is incorporated into the cream. You will know that your ganache is ready when it's nice and glossy and you don't have any speckles of unmelted chocolate remaining. Place your tart shells onto a pan to make them easy to move to the fridge, and fill each of them about halfway full with the chocolate ganache mixture. Don't worry about any bubbles, the marshmallow layer will cover any imperfections. These will need to chill for 2 hours so that the ganache can get nice and cold. Next, we will add our mini marshmallows. This is about 1/2 cup of mini marshmallows. You'll just want to spread it in an even layer over top. You could also use the full-size ones, just cut them into pieces. This is going to broil on the top rack of our oven at 500 Fahrenheit or 260 Celsius for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Keep a close eye on it because the marshmallows can burn very quickly. Now we can pop these out of the tart tins, and if you want a more set ganache, definitely chill them, but I like it when it's ooey gooey delicious. So as you can see, these s'mores tarts have a nice buttery, crispy graham cracker crust, perfectly toasted marshmallows, and a nice gooey chocolate layer. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.